Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition for you and it is the Holiday Hair Repair edit from Lookfantastic. It's empty because I've already opened it up, taken some photos for Instagram and I can't get it all back in. So this is the outside of the box anyway. This box was released a couple of days ago. It retails for £45, but if you are a subscriber and you use code HAIRSUBS, then that will entitle you to £10 off your box. And it has a value of £149. Now some of you already know this, but when new limited edition beauty boxes become available on the website, for the first day or two, not longer than that really, you can use my code, which is DIARYLF, and that will give you a percentage off the box if you aren't a subscriber. For instance, when this box was released, you were able to get £9.50 off if you weren't a subscriber. I took advantage of that and I bought this box for myself using my code. So I got it a little bit cheaper. I'll pop links to this box down below in my description, as well as all other offers and limited editions Lookfantastic have, you'll find down there, and my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on to then showing you what's inside. This is what the box looks like, and it is a bit of a mess because I couldn't fit it all in there, but never mind. Starting off, we've got a shampoo and a conditioner duo from Kingsley. This is from the Body Building range. Volumizes and lifts fine hair, and there's 75 ml in each, and they both retail at £23 at this size as well. Perfect for my hair, but if you haven't got fine hair, they're not so suitable for you. The shampoo cleanses while packing volume and bounce into fine or limp hair. Our weightless formula helps to control flyaways and leaves your hair looking and feeling naturally fuller and thicker. Yeah, I'm really chuffed to that. That's really expensive though, £23. Yeah, they've made a mistake. The full-size shampoo is 250ml and the conditioner is 200ml, and you can buy them as a duo for £48. So that makes sense, doesn't it? So being 75ml each, they're not £23 and they're not full size, but a nice size nevertheless. But yeah, they're more like deluxe mini sizes. Next, we've got a product by Virtue. This is from their Smooth range, Frizz Block Smoothing Spray. There's 150ml here and it retails for £46. Love the design. Look. Okay, what can it say? Controls, defrizzes, protects. How do you use it then? Towel dry hair, divide into sections, shake product well and spray each section liberally. Blow dry heat is required to activate the product. Yeah, I can't wait to try that because my hair is very, very thin, but it's almost like cotton wool. Horrible, horrible hair. I've got a lot of hormonal problems. My polycystic ovary syndrome is through the roof at the moment, so that's not helping at all. Excited to see what that is like on my hair. I just hope it's not too heavy and weighs down my thin hair. Next, we've got a product by OUAI. This is Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish, Frizz Control and UV Protectant. There's 55ml here and it retails for £19.50. I've received this before, but I have never used it. It just didn't appeal to me. I just thought it's got sparkles in it, which looks really pretty, but I just thought it'd be too heavy for my hair. So I can't tell you what it's like, unfortunately. If you've tried it, please let me know what you think, especially if you do have thin hair like I do. Apply sparingly to wet hair, style as usual, or light smooth over dry styled hair for glossy shine. It actually might be nice once I've blow dried my hair, and as I was just saying about the ends of my hair looking horrible and just hangs, regardless if I've blow dried it nice or anything, it just hangs. Maybe having something like this, because I do use styling creams, maybe it might work. I don't know. I'd love to hear, so let me know if you've tried it. Next, we've got a product from Bondi Boost, Thickening Therapy Spray, 120ml, and it retails for £27.50. A new brand for me. Breathe life into fine flat hair with a Bondi Boost thickening spray. This lightweight styling spray contains a proprietary blend of powerful ingredients that work to lift at the roots while expanding and plumping each strand, delivering instant thickness and volume. Known for its plumping powers, hyaluronic acid increases the density of each strand, while nutrient-rich collagen, ginseng and sea kelp strengthen and replenish strands, leaving your mane visibly thicker, fuller and healthier. And you can use it on dry or towel dried hair as well. So yeah, that's nice. The only thing that's missing is heat protection. If it had heat protection in that as well, oh, that'd be brilliant. Then we've got the Inky List. This is Salicylic Acid Exfoliating Scalp Treatment. There's 150ml and it retails for £14.99. I love the packaging of the Inky List. It gives you so much information, which I'll read now. That's what it looks like. Okay. Best for oily, itchy and flaky scalps, and it helps to reduce flakes, itchiness and control oiliness. It's a pre-wash treatment, can be applied on wet or dry scalp. Use a nozzle to apply directly onto the scalp and use your fingertips to rub in. Apply enough to cover entire scalp, leave on for 10 minutes, then wash hair as normal. Use 1 to 2 times a week. I don't have an itchy, flaky scalp, but I do have an oily scalp. This might be really nice. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a hair oil by OUAI. There's 5 mils here, and this is worth around £4. OUAI do the most amazing smelling products. Tiny bit on my hand there. Oh, it's beautiful. I love their products. I love the shampoos and conditioners. It feels nice as well. Like even on my skin, I know it's supposed to be for your hair, but even on my skin, that is dry. My skin is left really nice and soft. So no, I'm happy with that. So there you go. So those are all the products in this hair repair edit from Lookfantastic. They brought one out last year, so I think this is going to be an ongoing thing where they bring out a hair edit around summertime. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Some nice new products for me to try. Styling creams, scalp oils, shampoos, conditioners. Yeah, it's got a bit of everything in there. I really like it anyway, but I'd love to hear what you think. So please comment down below, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.